Okay guys, this is a 2019 Subaru Crosstrek Limited. Presents you real deal auto. Rebuild title, had some front and rear damage. All been fixed up. Looked like most of it was just body work. Didn't notice anything would be frame damage or anything. Good tires on it. So 48,918 on the miles. Blind spot monitors. Backup camera. Does have your Apple CarPlay there. Navigation. Heated seats. Smart key. Automatic. Eyesite with your adaptive cruise and lane assist. Power mirrors, locks, and windows. Power seats. Was damage all through here too. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.